Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Netfun extender using the easy method. First, plug your Netfun extender into a power outlet close to your main Wi-Fi router. Wait a moment for the power indicator light on the extender to turn solid, which means it's ready. Next, identify the WPS button on both your existing router and your new Netfun extender. This button is key for a quick setup. Now let's use the WPS feature. Press and hold the WPS button on your main Wi-Fi router for about 2 seconds, then release it. Immediately after, within a 2-minute window, press the WPS button on your Netfun extender. The extender's signal indicator light should start blinking, showing it's trying to connect. This process automates the network configuration for you. Once you've pressed both WPS buttons, give the extender a moment to establish the connection. The signal indicator light on your Netfun extender should eventually turn solid, typically green or blue, confirming a successful link with your main router. If the light remains red or doesn't turn solid, try moving the extender slightly closer to your router and repeat the WPS steps. With the connection confirmed, you can now unplug the Netfun extender and move it to a more optimal location. Place it roughly halfway between your main router and the area where you need better Wi-Fi coverage. Plug it in, wait for the solid signal light, and then connect your devices to the new extended network. Enjoy stronger Wi-Fi throughout your home.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.